This conference will now be recorded.
So we'll go to the text tool. Okay. Everybody can see my screen, right? I will go to the layers.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody can see my screen, right? See. Now what I will do. So always layers are very important. So I will go to the text tool. If I select the text tool, I'll click on here. You have to just you don't make any box with the text. Just you have to click on. See, when you click on this text tool anywhere, automatically in the right side, can you see the layers? Automatically, it is opening the layers. Automatically, no need to take a different layer. It will come in a different layer automatically. Okay. If I take it, I type text like this, NICT. Otherwise, I'll press caps lock. I'll make this text NICT. Okay. So what I will do, you have to click on this T in the layers. You have to click on this T, and in the upper window there is a property window. Here you can see the text font designs. Here it is the font designs will be there, and here it is a different size of the font. Okay. So any colors you want to change, so any particular colors you want to change, you can change the text. See, whatever it will not come directly, it will not come. So if I'll give something like this, it will not change. You have to press on this T, double click on this T, and we have to do the changes like this. Okay, this is the font. This thing, these are the different types of the fonts. We have italic fonts are there, bold fonts are here. Okay, so we have these are the different font names will be there in the right left side. There is a fonts names will be there, and example how it will look. See, this is one type of font, and this is the italic font. We have different types of the font will be there. See, we have, see, this is one type of font. Okay, so like that. See, till here we have a fonts are there. What you have to do, you have to click on particular font, proper font. You have to click on here. See, like this. Okay, if you click on this here, double click on this T, and you will have a multiple options are here. See, now what is the size of here? 72. If I want more than 72 means I can give 100 here. See, now what happened? Control Z. See, double click on this T, and I'll press 100. Enter. You just press enter. Okay. So now what happened? The font size will be bigger. Otherwise, you can press Control T. Control T, and you can increase and you can decrease the text here. You can increase and you can decrease the text here. Okay, double click on this text. You can change the colors here. Whatever the colors you want, you can give the colors here. And here T you have to press, and you have to, and alignment, middle alignment, right alignment, left alignment, all these are the alignments. Okay, these are the alignments. Okay, so whenever you select, see, always you should take a text in a different layer. So by the time you can give the different types of the effects. So next I will go to, again I will go to selection tool, this one, move tool. Again I'll take select the text. I'll click on here, computer. It is very big text. So it is come in a smaller size. I'll take it 48. Okay. How much ever size you want, you can take it that much size. See. Otherwise, you can change the font of this. See, you have to not, you should not press here. You should not click here. If you click here, the word will change. Instead of computer, it will change something. You can give 1, 2, 3. Okay, the layer names will change. Layer names will change. You should click on here T. Double click on this T, and I'll give some smaller font. Okay, smaller font with the little bigger size. So computer education. See, I will select this T. Otherwise, you have to select that layer and double click on this. Like this. Okay, so you have to make the text like this. Always you should take the separate layers, and you have to type the text here. Next, this is a when you click on this text, you have all these four options. Please write down this option: horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, and vertical type mask tool. Please write down all these options: horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, and vertical type mask tool. Horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, and horizontal type mask tool, and vertical type mask tool. Okay, if I'll go to the vertical type tool, so what you have to do, see, it is coming in this direction. So it is coming in the vertical direction. Again, it will coming in the different layer. So I'm just making like this. Okay, it is coming in the vertical direction. So this is the horizontal type tool, and this is the vertical type tool. See, how much ever you want, you can type the text in the vertical direction, any of the types. Okay, any of the text you can type it in the vertical direction. So everybody seeing, right? Everybody following, right, what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I
Yes,
will go
ma'am.
here. Okay. So always everything should be in a different layer. So suddenly when you will take a text here, automatically if you click here, no need to take the box. Some student, they will, what they will do, they will select the text here and they will make a box like this. Who told to make? I'm not said. Correct. I didn't tell to make the box. Just you have to take the text and you have to click on here, and you have to type whatever you want. Okay. So like that, what you have to do, you have to type different softwares names. Photoshop. Hmm? Otherwise, in your college, whatever the softwares are there, any subjects are there, you can type those things. See, now what I did, I'm typing like this. See, now what happened, again I'm going here to the move tool. Okay, afterwards I'm going to the text tool, because I want everything should be in a different layer. See, Photoshop, this software is just come in the one layer, and again InDesign it is come in the different layer. Now I'll go to the again text tool, and I'll select like this. Okay, it is not come in the caps lock. Corel Draw. Like this, any software's name you can write it. Okay, so like that, your like any of your college courses only you can write it. Finance, account, all these courses names you can write it. Okay, otherwise BCom, BCA, what are the subjects you have, those things you can write it. Okay, so like this we have to make a designs, we have to type the text here. So again, you people know how to give the background colors, all those things, you know, right? Okay, I'll come back for this. Now, see, all the textures are in different layers. All it is there in the different layer. So what I will do here, I'll go to the vertical type tool. See, if you want, see, you will get confused. There are so many text layers are there. See, you will get confused. See, whatever the text layer, if it is not necessary, select it like this. If you select it, it will come in a blue color. Okay, delete it. Okay, select it like this and delete it. Okay, if it is not necessary, just check it whether it is something is there inside that or not. So just check it and delete it. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this one, NICT. I will select this text and there is an option. See, when you click on here, if you want to change any of the font, you can do the changes of this. See, some font are changed. This font is changed now. And can you see here option called? Please write it on this option in the property window. Create warp text. Please write it on this text, this option. Create warp text. Create warp text. When you take your mouse over there, okay, so it will give this option, create warp text. Okay, I'll click on here. When you click on here, you will get a different option here. You have multiple designs are there. See, this is the arc shapes. You can slowly, you can increase and you can decrease the size of this. See, how much ever you want, you can do the changes of this like this. Otherwise, you have an option called bulge like this. Okay, this is only we can apply for the text. You can make it thin also. Okay, and the flag option like this. You should give OK. Okay, any of the text we should come with the different effects, means you have to click on that text. Now if I click on this, double click on this T, I'll go to here and we have an option called arc option and like this I'll give it. Again, for everything you can make the changes of this design. You have to check here, double click on this and you can change the font of this. Control T, if you make Control T, you can drag it till here. Okay, so you have to select that particular layer. Any layers you want, you have to select that particular layer and you have to give the effects. Double click on this, whatever written here, Bangalore. Okay, like this. Now what you have to do, you have to add the box for this. Okay, see, type tool, got it right everybody? How to do the type tool? Kulsum, any doubt you have? Kulsum?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, so you are able to do it right, Kulsum?
Yes, ma'am, I'm actually trying it right now.
Okay, Maria Joshita,
No, ma'am, no
is
doubt.
there, for Photoshop is there? Did you open the Photoshop in your system?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay, so I'll go to this text tool And now what I will do, I will go to this selection tool, rectangular mark tool. Okay. So I will go to this rectangular marks tool. I want to add a box here now. So what I'll do, I will here go to the background layer. On that, I will take a new layer. I'll take a new layer, and how much ever necessary, I will add the box here now. See, box. And you can add the paint bucket tool. Using that paint bucket tool, you can add the gradient, simple gradient, simple. I'll just add the gradient here. I'll just add the gradient, any of the gradients, light color, any of the things. You can add the gradient. Okay, like this you have to add the gradient for this. Now see, it is there in a separate layer like this. Only this computer education I want a different box means, again I will take a new layer and I will add a box for this, and I will go to this paint bucket tool and I will add separate color for this, any color like this, yellow color, anything which is highlighting. I'll just add it, control D. Okay, so something like that you can add it. Okay, how much ever you want you can add the box here. Okay, so now again I will take a new layer and I will go to here, rectangular marks tool. I will add a box here, control D to select, deselect. Otherwise I will go to here and I will add a box here. Again I'll go to the gradient tool or any other options. You can add some more color here. Otherwise same gradient what I have given in the top, so that gradient only I will give. Okay, so any of the text with the box you can create it. So next you have to select this one, each and everything. See, each and everything you have to move it. See, I will go to this move tool and I will move it. Okay, separately I will select this thing, go to that particular layer and I will select the text tool and I will select it each and everything. Okay, I will do it like this, and I want separate box for this also means you can add it. I will take a uh, anywhere you take it. You select it like this, take a new layer, select the layer and take a new layer. See here, I will make a circle for this circle. And again if you want to do you want the gradient, you can add it. See how much ever you want the gradient, you can add it, so like that. So you can bring it down. So I will take the duplicate copy of this of this. I will take the duplicate copy of this. See, all three four layers are in different way. Control T. Okay. So like that we have to add the different subject name. Okay, whatever the subjects you people are learning, so otherwise any other extra activities you people have, those things also you can add it. Okay, here instead of this one vertical type tool, I want to select here. Where is the vertical type tool? Yeah, this is the vertical type tool. Here you can add some of the things we can add. Here I will go to here vertical type tool. I will select here and I'll on the caps lock, admission open. I will select on this T. You have to select on this T. Okay, not here. Admission open, not here. If you click here, it will not select. Okay, if you click on T, then you will get a option here. Control P, you can make it how much ever you want. How much? Control minus any of the text you can select it. Double click on this T. Again, we have an option here. Flag, wave, fishy. Any of the changes, if you'll do it, then only we'll get to know. Okay, any of the shapes. Double click on this. Click on this T and you will get to know. Squeeze. Okay, there's option called twist. Okay, any of the options you will get to know. This is the wave option. Okay, which is suitable for this, you have to write that one. Next class, I will tell you people how to make the proper poster designs. Okay, so because you have to practice this type tool, so then only you can create a poster designs with this. Okay, so you have to add the posters, you have to make the posters designs next class. Any summer camp or otherwise any of the extra activities courses will be there, otherwise any college admission this thing you have to do it, otherwise any of the things you can do it, and I'll give the assignments. You people have to do the different kinds of the poster designing, fashion designing related posters, jewelry designs posters, any educational related posters, any of the designs you can do it. Okay, so but you have to learn the basic options first. So now I'm combining two different shapes. Okay, so like that. Now I'll go to here, this polygonal tool. So if you want to add some shape here, see some shape here, I'll click on here. I'll take a new layer and again here also I can add the color. See this control D. Now what happened? There is a shape here. It is added the color for this shape. See, till now what you people learned how to make the editing of the image. Correct? See, that's why all these things, all the tools are having two faces. See, these are the tools. It is telling you people how to cut the images. Correct? How to cut the images, how to crop the images, all these things. So we are using this tool only. We cutted the images. So we are using this tool only, we cropped the images. Okay. So with the same tool, how to create a shapes like this. Okay. So you can select any of the shapes. Polygonal laser tool, you can select it. So I will select like this, and I will make your own designs. Control minus. See here, you have to select like this, and where you started, there itself you have to end the shape. Where you have selected, there itself you have to end the shape. In the back side layer, there is a things are there, no, that it will not match means you just remove it, no problem. You just hide it. That option, if it is not working nicely, means you can hide it. See what I created using the polygonal tool. I have created this shape. Okay, which is matching to this. That only you have to make it. Okay. Again, I'll go to this polygonal lasso tool, and I will create again the shape. See where you started, there yourself you have to end it. Then take a new layer. Wherever you want, you can take a new layer. You can do the arrangements of the layers. Later, you can do the arrangement of. You just have to select this, and you have to take a new layer and give whatever the options you want. Gradient tool, give the options like this. See whatever the options you want, you can give that options. Don't take too many colors. Color combination also very important. If it will match, then it will become a too many colors. Now in my posters, there are so many colors are there. Try to do with the gradient also, otherwise try to do with the plain color also. See which is here, some red, yellow, orange, purple, many colors are there. So nobody will make posters like this which is having multiple colors. You have to take a single color. Just for your practice, I'm telling, you can make this kind of designs. Okay, control Z, control alt Z. Otherwise you have to select like this any shapes. See any of the word, this thing you have to make it. So that time, see any shapes you have to, where you selected, like click on here, left click, and the triangle I have selected, and like this you have to take it and take a new layer, and go to this any option, simple options, special effects option, any options you can select it. Otherwise select any options. See just it will come the effect like this. Okay, anywhere how much ever shapes you added, till that time you will get an fx. Anybody having any doubt? I will only ask question then. Nobody having any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
Hmm? Chandana C has left. Why Chandana C has left? So, what kind of poster designs? Otherwise, we have to make an advertisement designs. Okay, what are the things should be necessary in an advertisement designs? What are the things we should add to make an advertisement designs? Tell me, girls, to make an advertisement designs. What all the things are necessary? Tell
Product,
it
ma'am.
should be. Huh?
Product. What product you're going to advertise?
Yes, what product? Okay, mainly what product you people are making with what product. Okay, then what else will be there in the advertisement design?
Information about the product, ma'am.
No, not necessary. Informations always when you see where you will see any shampoo bottle or any cream bottle, it will be there in the back side. How much percent things are there, all those things. So not that information. Any offers you have to put. There is a 20% off, 10% off, 50% off. Otherwise, what is that? Stock clearance sale. Hmm? So those things and all we should put it in an advertisement design. Correct. Then what else we can put?
Phone number, address, ma'am.
Phone number, address also not necessary actually,
In,
because
no,
we
ma'am.
are showing in the website.
Yeah, ma'am, but
Yes, it is there. It is there.
it is,
The phone number, website, and all those options we can add it. What else we can add it?
Name of the poster.
Hmm?
And the background designs.
Yes, background color, background designs, and all we can add it. Okay. Then what else? Any model photo if you need it. Okay, any of your model photos you can need it, you can add it. Okay, suppose we are taking any watch design, the celebrity is wearing that watch. Hmm? So limited offer, okay, exchange offer, something like that, you can add it. Okay, so you have to create an advertising design in the next class. Okay, so anybody having any doubt? See, it is not easy. Here, automatically see now how many layers are created. See, so many layers are created. Okay. See, when you are taking any this kind of text tool, you have to go to the file new and you have to go to the A4 size only, international paper A4 size. So with this only, you have to start your designing like this. So what you have to do, you can take the any shapes in the background, means background color, anything you can take it in the beginning only. Otherwise, you can add any of the product design. Okay, you can take a box and you can make the product designing like this. Anybody having any doubt with this tool? Horizontal type tool and vertical type tool. Okay. Next one I'll go horizontal type mask tool and vertical type mask tool. What I will do, I will take the image, file open, I will take some image, any of the image I will take it, otherwise any of the images you can take it, no problem. So what I will do, I will go to here, horizontal type mask tool. Okay, everybody, I hope everybody is written this option, horizontal text mask tool. So when you click on horizontal type mask tool, see here automatically it is showing many of the, like when you're taking the text tool also it will show this option only. So you can select before only, you can select this option. Okay, any of this option I'll take before itself, and you have to see the increase the size of the text. So I'll change the color of the text, whatever the colors you want you can select it like this. Then again you can change the size of the text. See, 72 is there, I want like 150. See, now it is, the text will be like this. So if we'll give 200, text size will be like this. See now what happened? See how much ever text I have added, only that much text only it is blinking like this. So that means it is cutted. Only how much ever I pressed here, only that much area only it is cutted here. So what I'll do, I'll go to this one, horizontal type mask tool. Why the text is coming very small? See now it is coming in a big text. So I'll go to the move tool and I will select it. How much? See, I'm separating now one to another. If I'll keep it there also, look at this changes. It will be like this. Otherwise, you can take a new layer and whatever the selected area is there, for that you can add the color for this. See now it is having the 3D kind of embossing effect will be there. Okay. Easily we can create this kind of effect. See whatever I typed here, only that much area only it is masking. Masking means how much ever area I'm typing over there. So that much area only it is cutting. Okay. See I have given 500. This thing size is 500. So because it is a very big image, that's why it is taking so much. So computer. See how much ever area I have taken, only that much area. See here, one more thing happened. We have to, whenever we have to type the text, we have to click on this background layer and we have to type the text. Computer. Then it is possible we can cut it. This one. See this layer is locked. It is coming. We are unable to cut it. So we should take before itself duplicate copy. Otherwise it will be like this. If it is a plain background means it will look nice. Okay. So like this we can give the text effect. See always when you are doing like this you have to keep it in a different layer. Control J. Control J means what happened? Control T. It is here only. Control T. How much ever area you selected, only that much only. Next to horizontal type mask tool, like that only we have an option called vertical type mask tool. Okay, any of the text you can type it here. See the size of the text is more, so you can reduce it to 300. By the time it will come in the single page only. So before, after this text is selecting, it will not, you cannot change the text and all, font and all you cannot change. So when you click on here, vertical type text mask tool, so you have to take the font design. So different font designs will be there. You have to select the font design for before itself. Vertical type mask tool. Change the size here. 350. See, it is coming in a different shape. It will be useful if we'll keep it in a different background. So I can drag it and see if it is in different file. I'll keep it like this and I will drag it and I'll drop anywhere I can. But some of the image which is not having any background like this, you can see it properly. Otherwise, it's difficult. Otherwise, you have to take the plain background. Anybody having any doubt? Who are not submitted the assignment till now? Who are not opened the Photoshop and not tried anything till now? Everybody opened it? Everybody opened the Photoshop and tried it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everybody having the Photoshop, right? So till now, I teached you people only the image editing part. Okay, so this tool we are using for image editing, and this is the tool we are using for image editing. And next one is quick selection tool, magic wand tool also over. That is also for image editing. In this here, this tool is over, crop tool is over. Next eyedropper tool, this is not over. Spot healing brush tool, patch tool, red dye tool. Anybody tried with the red dye tool? Anybody tried with the red dye tool?
Ma'am, I tried it, but then
Yeah,
it
tell
only
me.
darkens the eye.
So you should take some of the images in the Google, red eye images.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to search some of the images like that. Who is having red eye disease or those kind of images you will get. Okay,
Okay.
Ume, uh, what and all you learned, Uma? Ume, honey,
Yes, ma'am.
you are this is second class or third class for you?
Third class, ma'am.
Okay. So what about the image editing from the beginning? Whatever teached, did you got those videos?
I watched the first one till now. I have to watch the rest three more.
Okay. So you have to do the assignment so much because now see I'm coming to this advertisement designs.
Okay.
Hmm? So advertisement designs. You have any doubt? Please message me. And now we have to do the advertisement designs with the products. Different products. I will give you people that that work will start. So everybody, I will give different kinds of work. So you have to complete it. Till now, whatever the works I have given for the assignment, those works and all you have to complete it. Then only
Okay,
it is possible that you can go to the advertisement design. Advertisement design, it is middle of the Photoshop. You are there in the middle. Now editing part is over. Okay, so now you have to do the advertisement designs, any product designs, all those things, any offers, posters, pamphlets, those designs and all you have to make it with the Photoshop.
okay,
Okay, next we have the tool called vertical type tool. Always try to take all the things in a different layer. Okay, so try to this thing only, try to learn, try to practice all these options: horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, and vertical mask tool. So just you have to click on this. Okay, and if you keep it like this, it will come. Why it is not coming here? When we are typing here, it is not there in the background layer, so that's why it is not coming here. So you have to click on the background, and I will go to the text tool, vertical type text tool, 50% off. Not able to visible anything. See, when you are doing this Photoshop, this thing, any advertisement design, see, all the text should be in different layer, all the shapes should be in different layer. So now you are getting another 15-20 layers with this. Okay, already 15-20 layers are there. With this, you will get another 15-20 layers because we have to complete the advertisement design. I is me. You can keep any of your students' photos here and see here. It is there. Down of all the layers, we have to take it up. Okay. So we are combining image editing and text. Both the things we are combining here. Correct. Till now, you people are doing with the only image editing things. Now we have to combine both the things now, and we have to make the poster design. So anywhere you can keep it here, but whatever the text you added, that it should not disturb for this. Okay. See, now we have an option here, eyedropper tool. What is the use of eyedropper tool? It will pick the color. Okay, I'll go to this eyedropper tool. It will pick the same color. Here in this poster we have many colors are there. So I want particular color for this. So I will select what are the colors I want. If I want yellow color, so whenever I select the color, it will always come in the left side. There is a foreground color is there, and there is a background color is there. See, whatever the colors I will select, automatically it will come here. See, whatever the colors we have, automatically it will come here. See, whatever the colors you want, you can add it. Otherwise, you can add the gradient color only. Okay. Again, I'll take the duplicate copy of this. Hmm. Yes. Yes, tell me who is having any doubt. So, Control T. Okay, some information you can add it. This contact for this, you can next class we'll do nice poster design. Just you practice it. Okay, I don't I today class only I don't want any work from today class only. Okay, I want whoever not submitted till me the assignment, so they have to finish all your assignment by tomorrow. Tomorrow I will tell you people neatly the advertisement design. Afterwards only you can send me the work, whatever the works. Okay, today class you have to just practice in your system. Okay, whoever not submitted the assignment using the collage work and any of the works, those peoples can send. I will make a note. Whoever sended me the assignment, I will make a tick mark of that. Okay, I will write the name of those students who have written the assignment. Okay, so today class you have to just practice. Okay, whatever the tools I have teach you people. Okay, so tomorrow I will teach you how to make the advertisement design. Okay, so these are the things necessary to make the advertisement designs. See, now I will reduce the size of the text, and you can add the any website name. City India. City. Something I given the website. Something like that also you can add it like this. Change the font because everybody see the website properly. Take always proper font. And you can add the two, they have two website or something, you can add it like this, and any of the phone numbers you can add it. something like this, phone numbers and all, you can add it like this. And you have to select the website like this, and you have to add it properly. Always you should give 2-inch gap on all the sides. Always you should give everywhere 2 inches, 1 inch, at least minimum 1 inch you should give the gap. When you're doing the poster designs, when you're doing the printout of any design, so that time it will cut, the edges will cut. So that time we have to, while we are doing the design, we have to leave 1 inches everywhere. We should not do till the end of the page. We should not do it. Okay. So next class we will do the some of the more color combinations, and we will take the products properly, and we will make the advertisement designs. Just I added some information here, so I'll go to file and so I'll just save the file save as posted real register trial. Save the file, save as in the format of JPG format. Okay, so anybody having any doubt? So you can add the background also. Any light color you can add it. I will go to the, don't touch this background layer. Take a new layer always. Keep it constant like that, only background layer. I will go to the paint bucket tool. Any light color here, whatever the colors I will want, I will select it here. Any light color, whatever the colors you want, you can select it here. See, this is the paint bucket tool. And this is the background layer, and this is the paint bucket tool. Okay, whatever the colors you want, if you give it, it will come over there. See, like this in the background it will come. So any of the things you have to make it, so you have to take it in a different layer. So text tool is very important part in the Photoshop, because any of the designs you have to make it, any of the designs names you have to make it, otherwise any collage work you have to make it, means always text tool is important. So what you will have to do, horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type mask tool, and vertical type mask tool. Okay. Who are having doubt? Let me check who are not did the assignment till now. Okay, Photoshop. Okay. Aditi did the work. Sharon did the work. Okay, Aditi did the work. Sharon did the work. Next, Usna, she's did the work. And Namita. Who is Namita here?
Ma'am Shreya.
Oh, okay, Shreya. Shreya, you did only one work?
And the other one by today.
Okay. Anusha, in this work, what you did actually, this blue dress is there, no? So in that, what work you did, Anusha, Lokesh?
Ma'am, I've used the clone tool, ma'am.
Oh, clone tool from here to here. Okay, okay. Okay. Did you not did any of this thing, wrinkles, images, those things and all? You not tried? Or you tried?
I've
No,
done,
after
ma'am.
one
I've
you
sent
only
it.
sent it. Okay, 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 okay. Namita, Namita, you did only one work. Shreya Agarwal.
The other by today.
Okay, okay, okay. Aishwarya did two works, right?
See, ma'am.
Juveria, are you there in the class, Juveria? How many works you did, Juveria? And who else? Kulsum, you did any work? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. I
Kulsum did.
sent it, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Kulsum did two works. Aditi did works. Ume, you did one work. And okay, Aishwarya did this. Okay, but wrinkle images, nobody did much actually. Who and all did? Kulsum did the wrinkle work. Aditi did it. Huh? Ume, uh, you should work little faster. Ume, honey, because you joined a little late, right? So these are the tools. It's very easy. You can do it on by the time on the same day. If you'll practice, it means you will get to know the same tool. Ume, honey, are you listening, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So those are the works are like this clone stamp tool. Last class I have teached you people. So that is easily you can do it. Those things, wrinkles, removing those things and all. Okay. Last class I teached you people this one, right? Clone stamp tool. I didn't go for this pattern stamp tool. Okay, clone stamp tool I went, right? Okay. See, I will take two images like this and I will go to here and I will take this image. I'll keep it beside like this and I'll keep it like this and I will go to this tool, clone stamp tool, and I'll press here Alt. If you'll press here any of the part anywhere, you have to press Alt here and it will start to clone. See, now the thing is it is very big image. So I want to take it only the face of this. Only the face here. I will take it here. See, only this much only you can give it because that drawing is very big. Is that image is very big. Where we can use it mainly in the bridal photo shoot. So before the function, that photographer will take the photos with the different dresses. So in the photo album they can put it because one is the main photo and other photos are with the different dresses. So those images and all we have to make it means. So that time we can use the clone stamp tool. It will come very natural. The same way if I will take this one, I will keep it like this. How much ever I want. See, I want only this greenery part. I'll again Alt and left click. Alt and left click and see how much ever I want. See, now it is coming till here only. It is cutting till here. So what you have to do, you have to select from here Alt and here. I want only this much, means only this much I will select it. I want only this much. See how much ever you want, then select it that much. we can change the background only. See, floor is look like the same. The floor is look like same. Other things are changed. So floor is look like same. The things are changed. Now I changed the floor also. It is looking natural. She's standing in between the this thing, leaves and all. So you can remove this, whatever. See how much ever you want. Only that much only you can add it. Okay, got it? I want next class. I want all the works till now. Whatever I teach you people, I want all the works. Clone stamp tool. Only one girl is did the clone stamp tool. Okay,
Mom, I too
you
have
can
done.
try this option. Huh?
Mom,
Who
I too
did?
have done clone stamp tool.
Okay. Who are did all the works? Like one person did clone stamp tool, but they are not worked with the wrinkles and all those eye drawing, what red eye tool and all. Okay. So try to finish all the works. I will mark it out in the next class. Who are did the all the assignments and all. Then only I will take the next class because I need to go for the advertisement designs. So that's why please complete it and try all the tools, whatever the tools you can make it. Okay, see this is so beautifully you can make it this kind of image. Background change sort, this is very easy option. Okay, so this is one student, she did the same, right? Clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. Anybody having any doubt? Even this kind of work you can make it nicely with the clone stamp tool. It will come natural if you do it clone stamp tool only. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Next class I will teach you people this pattern stamp tool. Next I will tell you people which is the pattern stamp tool. Okay. See, pattern stamp tool is a tool. Suppose if we'll go to this one here, clone stamp tool, pattern stamp tool. Pattern stamp tool means when you will click on this pattern, so you will have a multiple. Inside this we have multiple options are there. If you select on this pattern stamp tool, we have multiple type of patterns here. Click on here preset window. We have color paper pattern is there. See here, this is a color paper. So if I select on here, wherever the part will be there, so you'll get the color paper option. So this is the color paper option. Okay. So like that we have multiple options are there. You have to click on this wherever you necessary, you have to add it. This is the any image you can add it. For the background we are using any of the images we want it, suppose this thing patterns and all, so you can add it like this. In the background you want to add the this thing, just you have to drag it like this. To change the background we are using pattern stamp tool. Otherwise, we have an option here. Okay, so like that we have multiple options are there. You have to write all these options. Pattern 2, like this. Rock pattern. See, rock pattern, we can use it for this kind of here. So if we'll go to this rock pattern, see we have stone patterns and all. So we can add it for this road, which is matching for this. Otherwise, only in the side you can add it. Side you can add it. Rock patterns are there, and here nature pattern. All these flowers and all. Here and all you can add it. Go to here, pattern stamp tool. I'll press F7, and these are the nature patterns. See nature pattern here. These are the flowers. Okay. So like this we have different flower patterns are there. Okay. You can add wherever it is necessary. You can add. These are the nature patterns. Okay. Try all the patterns. Okay. Try all the patterns in your system. Whatever the options. Okay. You can use it. Okay, try with all the patterns. Huh? Okay, what you have to do, you have to select here clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. Okay, here you have multiple options are there. Try with all this option: artistic surface, color paper, grayscale paper, natural pattern, nature pattern, pattern 2, patterns, rock pattern, texture fill 2. You can use it for the background also. Anybody having any doubt?